Historically, it has been difficult for descendants of Africans enslaved in the Americas to obtain citizenship in African countries our ancestors had roots in. Today, the tide is changing as more countries develop formal, standardized processes to make it easier to obtain citizenship. There are two countries that I'm excited to share seem to be cooking something up for diasporans. First is a small, tropical country of 2.2 million people. If you've heard of the revolutionary leader Amilcar Cabral from the 1960s and 1970s, you probably know which country I'm about to say. I'm talking about Guinea-Bissau. Bordering Senegal to its north and Guinea to its south and east, the country is known for its natural beauty, biodiversity, and cashew production. In 2021, Guinea-Bissau's Ministry of Tourism partnered with an organization called the Balanta Burasa History and Genealogy Society in America to launch the Decade of Return initiative. Since then, about 30 diasporans have been granted citizenship through the initiative. 2025 was especially busy, with 9 diasporans gaining citizenship in January, 11 in February, and 8 in October. These diasporans were descended from the Balanta, Fula, and Jola peoples of Guinea-Bissau. The process for citizenship as part of the initiative involves submitting a letter of application to the government detailing your interest in becoming a citizen, along with copies translated into Portuguese of your passport, birth certificate, and African ancestry test results showing ancestry tracing back to Guinea-Bissau. Additionally, there was a $125 fee for the Balanta Burasa History and Genealogy Society in America to facilitate the process. Group tours for prospective citizens were organized jointly by the society and an organization called Rapat Bissau. So, we know that the process was established as part of the initiative, and about 30 diasporans were indeed granted citizenship. Unfortunately, the citizenships were granted by decree. In other words, at the political will of the government at the time. There is no legislative framework formalizing a path to citizenship for diasporans currently. What's more, the government is undergoing a period of political instability, which may not be resolved for some time. Let's hope that things will be sorted out soon, and the country is able to legally formalize the process to continue rebuilding connections with the diaspora. The 30 diasporans who did receive citizenship and the process through which they gained it are a strong foundation to continue building on. Before we jump to the second country that's cooking up a path to citizenship for diasporans, are you finding value in the information that I'm sharing? My mission is to inspire the diaspora to learn about, travel to, and connect with the regions our ancestors hailed from. So, if you are finding value in this information, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel, and you can find a link in the description below if you'd like to leave a tip. Thank you. The second country is almost 2,000 miles to the southeast of Guinea-Bissau and is known for its stunning rainforests and extensive wildlife conservation. Gabon, a country of over 2.5 million, might be formalizing a path to citizenship for diasporans in the coming years. Samuel L. Jackson gained Gabonese citizenship in 2019 after using DNA to trace his ancestry to the Benga ethnic group, one of the smaller ethnic groups in the country. And a couple of years ago, Gabonese ambassador to the United States, Noel Nelson Misson, sat down with Dr. Gina Page, co-founder of African Ancestry, for a conversation, and he shared some interesting information.
Darnell Clayton is asking, will Gabon offer citizenship again like they did with Samuel L. Jackson?
we are formalizing it. Samuel Jackson was the very first to visit, and when he visited, he was made citizen. And I am now proposing to the foreign ministry that we actually formalize that for future Gabonese descendants who want to become citizens. That's one thing I am working on. The second matter that I'm working on is actually for the government to find a way to facilitate access to land for Afro-descendants who might want to establish themselves in Gabon. So that's another aspect of it that I am bringing to the attention of the Gabonese authorities.
So there you have it, right from the mouth of a Gabonese diplomat. Let's hope that they are able to legally establish the process in the near future. Which prospect excites you more? Guinea-Bissau offering a path to citizenship for diasporans, or Gabon offering one? Which country are you more interested in? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to read and watch more about these steps towards citizenship programs by both countries, I compiled a list of resources on my Ko-fi page, and you can find the link in the description below. My mission with Mazayu Media is to use my travels to Africa to inspire the African diaspora, to learn about, travel to, and connect with the regions our ancestors hailed from. If that resonates with you, and you found value in this content, please don't forget to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel. That will go a long way in helping me grow the channel and helping that mission be fulfilled. For more content, you can check out this video to learn which two countries currently offer the easiest path to citizenship for diasporans. In this video, to learn why the popular history surrounding Gorée Island in Senegal is a myth.